Just a few hours' drive from Pune, hidden between the Sahyadri Hills and the placid waters of Dhom Dam, lies a resort where nature and luxury meet. That resort is Magnus Caverns. As a traveler, you might imagine waking up to misty peaks, listening to birdsong, and stepping out onto a balcony overlooking a lake. Magnus Caverns promises exactly that, a blend of rustic charm and premium hospitality. In this video, we'll explore the resort's location, travel tips, accommodation types, activities, amenities, dining options, prices, and practical details so you can decide whether it's the right getaway near Panchgani or Mahabaleshwar. Magnus Caverns Resort is situated on the road to Panchgani near Dhom Dam in Satara district. The property straddles both sides of the road, tents and the lakeside restaurant on one side, and villas, swimming pool, and grotto on the other, according to traveler reviews. It is surrounded by mountains and overlooks the lake. The resort lies about 3.9 kilometers from Town, 34 kilometers from Satara, 36 kilometers from Mahabaleshwar, and roughly 105 kilometers from Pune International Airport. These distances mean that driving from Pune takes around 2.5 hours along NH 48 via Satara. Exact time depends on traffic. The nearest railhead is Satara, with taxis and buses available to and the resort. Magnus Caverns has 3 phases spread across the property. Phase 1 nature and celebrations, Phase 2 poolside villas, and Phase 3 mountain luxury. Each phase offers distinct room types. Phase 3, suites and tents, Tabas vintage suites. Luxury suites perched on a mountain ridge with panoramic lake and mountain views. Suites measure 18 and 19 feet and include a king-size bed, a sofa-cum bed, a bathtub, air conditioning, TV and hot water kettle. Guests enjoy peacock sightings and sunrise views from the balcony, and the suites are a short buggy ride approximately 250 m from the food court. Cliff Royale tents, spacious glamping tents approx. 20 at 20 feet built on wooden platforms with air conditioning, TV and kettle, offering both lake and mountain views. Each tent has a king-size bed and a queen-size bed, making them suitable for families. Grotto Heritage tents. Heritage-style tents 16 to 20 feet with king-size bed plus a child bed. Air conditioning, TV and kettle, featuring a balcony with mountain and peacock views. Phase 2, cavern-style villas. Cavern villa uprooms, villas built near natural caves. Stone walls keep them naturally cool. Rooms offer lake views, king-size bed plus an extra adult bed, and sunrise/sunset views surrounded by greenery. Amenities include air conditioning, Wi-Fi, and heating. Cavern villa downrooms, similar rustic villas on the lower level with dam views, king-size bed plus child bed, sunrise/sunset vistas, and lush greenery. Phase 1, tents and camping. Jodhpur tents, waterproof tents decorated in regal Rajasthani style. Each has a queen-size bed, dressing mirror, and cooling fan. Washrooms are separate but assigned to each tent. They overlook the dam and hills. Lakeside camping, budget-friendly tents by the lake with basic bedding, communal washrooms, and sunrise/sunset views, suitable for families or groups. Viking Saga Camper Van. A unique highlight is the Viking Saga Camper Van. This fully equipped caravan has an air-conditioned bedroom with a queen-size bed, kitchen, gas stove, oven, kettle, utensils, and dishwashing area, private washroom, and shower with hot water, plus indoor games and books. Experience packages include outdoor adventures, candlelight dinners, artistic activities, and a Bluetooth sound system. The camper van operates separately under the Saga Camper and is usually parked on the resort grounds. A stay at Magnus Caverns is not just about accommodation. The resort offers numerous activities. Indoor games and family fun, chess, carom, dart games, and a speedball set turnball are part of the indoor suite. Board games, puzzles, and indoor play areas for children are also listed among amenities. Outdoor games and team building. Guests can enjoy frisbee, cricket, football, volleyball, and cycling. There's also a children's playground, kids' pool, and other kid-friendly equipment. Adventure activities. For thrill seekers, the day outing package includes gypsy rides, horse riding, ATV rides, boating, speedboating, kayaking, and even bullock cart rides. The resort also offers archery and darts. Universal Adventures notes that the day outing package runs from 9 a.m. to 6 p.m., includes meals, and is designed for up to 150 guests. Water and relaxation. An outdoor swimming pool is available. Some packages mention boating on Dhom Dam and nature walks. The resort spa provides massages ranging from head and foot to full body treatments, and the property's spa facilities are highlighted as a top feature on booking portals. Evening entertainment. There are live music nights and evening entertainment sessions. Karaoke and complimentary welcome drinks are also offered. Amenities and services. Magnus Caverns markets itself as a luxury family resort, and the amenity list reflects this. Premium comforts, accessibility features, outdoor pool, on-site dining, cots for children, dry cleaning, express checkout, parking, luggage storage, meeting room, running trails, room service, and family programs. Dining and culinary delights. The on-site restaurant serves Indian cuisine and local Maharashtrian dishes. Guests praise the authentic home-style Maharashtrian cuisine and variety of dining options. Breakfast is typically buffet style, with complimentary welcome drinks and kid-friendly buffets. BBQ facilities and in-room dining are available. Family-friendly features. There are kids' meals, children's television networks, indoor play areas, outdoor play equipment, cycling facilities, and a pet-friendly policy. Pet owners appreciate being able to let their pets roam freely. Wellness and convenience. Spa services include massages of various kinds, and there's 24-hour security, first aid kit, and a doctor on call. Laundry, dry cleaning, and ironing services are available. Free private parking is provided. Connectivity. Wi-Fi is not available according to one booking portal, so guests should rely on mobile data. Policies and practical tips. Check-in at Magnus Caverns begins afternoon, and checkout is usually before 10 in the morning. Families will find it convenient. Children under 6 can stay free when sharing existing beds, and extra beds are available for older kids or additional guests at a nominal charge. The resort proudly welcomes pets at no extra cost, which makes it one of the few truly pet-friendly getaways near Panchgani. Do note that there's no dedicated Wi-Fi across the property, so it's best to carry your own mobile data if you need to stay connected, though once you're surrounded by the hills and greenery, you might just forget about screens altogether. Guests often mention how spacious and clean the rooms are, how warm and helpful the staff feels, and how the food, especially the local Maharashtrian dishes, adds to the experience. The entire place has this calm, green charm that makes you slow down and breathe. Nearby attractions. Magnus Caverns is ideally placed for exploring the Western Ghats. Panchgani, about 30 minutes drive, known for its tableland plateau, strawberry farms, and colonial-era buildings. Mahabaleshwar, roughly 36 kilometers away, famous for its viewpoints Elephant's Head Point, Arthur's Seat, and boating on Vena Lake. White Temples and Ghats, just 3.9 kilometers from the resort. Explore the historic Dolya Ganapati Temple and heritage Ghats along the Krishna River. Dhom Dam and boating. Steps from the resort, you can enjoy kayaking, speed boating, or just sit by the lake and watch the sunset. Magnus Caverns Resort offers a serene yet activity-packed getaway near Pune. Whether you choose a glamping tent, a rustic villa, or the unique Viking campervan, you'll be surrounded by mountains, lake views, and luxury comforts. Guests love the peaceful ambience, varied activities, and pet-friendly policy. If you're planning a weekend escape around Panchgani or Mahabaleshwar, consider Magnus Caverns for its unique stay options, range of adventure activities, and beautiful natural setting.